Welcome, dear children, to e-learning classes. I hope, dear children, you have enjoyed your Diwali vacation, and now we start our second semester. Lesson number 1, the world around us. Now you can see in the picture the world around us. So here we can see field, river, waterfalls, mountain, village, island, forest, countryside. So this is the world we live in. We start with the first activity. Read the puzzle, discuss it with your partner and guess the answer. I can float, fly or fall is found on the land, in the oceans and the sky, in what I eat and drink, in fact, in every part of me. It's the most needed, most wasted and most common substance on the earth, available for a price and for free. It is worshipped and feared. It is life-giving and also causing death. It is. So what is the answer, children? Yes, it is water. So we see water in different forms. We see water flowing in the sea, river, lakes, and also we see water in our body. We can purchase the water and water is also free. Rivers in India are being worshipped. Water is life-giving, but in the same time, it is also causing death, like in floods and cyclones. So we can see the different uses of water. Now we move on to activity 2. In class 6, you did some activities related to water on earth. Let's read some more about water. Now see, in 6th standard you read about save water and save life. Now water for humans. Water is the basic component of each cell and essential for our existence. It keeps our body temperature at 36.8 degrees centigrade, forms part of blood, carries oxygen and nutrition to our cells and removes waste material from our body. Water keeps us clean and healthy. We use water to cook food, wash utensils, clean different things, water the plants and flush the toilet. We also use it for recreations like swimming, sailing and fishing. Water is very essential. A person can survive without food for more than 30 days, but less than a week without water. We use water for many things in our day-to-day life. Water for agriculture. We use water as much as a 10-meter deep, 100-meter wide and 7.1 million kilometers in length, long enough to encircle the globe 180 times to produce food for today's world's population every year. Means in a year the total consumption of water for agriculture to provide food for the world's population every year, long enough to encircle the globe 180 times. So that much water is required for agriculture every year. Water, habitat for animals and plants. For a small fresh water pond to the vast Pacific Ocean, almost every water body found on earth is an important habitat for plants and animals. Life began in water, and even today, half of the world's creatures live underwater. So you must have seen so many different types of fishes and different types of plants which are grown in water. So water is important. Now water for industry and power production. Almost all industrial units use water either in the production or disposal of byproducts. This is one of the main reasons why industrial belt has developed along river banks. Water is also an important component in power production. River water is used to produce hydroelectricity by building dams and through thermal power plants. Now, dear children, the industries are mostly built on the river side only, and dams are built on river to produce hydroelectricity and thermal power. The electricity which we use at our home is from there only. I hope, dear children, you have understood both the activities. Thank you for watching the video.